This is the series of Fargo. The Fargo seriously worried. The Fargo happy. The Fargo seriously disgusted. Exercising world peace. So scared, Fargo is. Studious, I say. Where the fuck am I? Working up a poop? Letting out the poop. Simply relieved, the poop is out. The power of Christ compels you. Fucking worried, man. Seductive Fargo. Thanks for watching my show. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I did.